What if I told you there are things you're doing right now that make people secretly dislike you? And the worst part, you might not even realize you're doing them. In this video, I'm going to break down 7 reasons why people might secretly hate you. And number 5 is the most damaging one. Stick around, because by the end, you'll not only understand these reasons, but you'll know how to fix them. 1. You make everything about you. If every conversation, every situation revolves around you, people notice. They start to feel invisible, unimportant. Relationships aren't one-sided. The fix: listen more than you talk. Show genuine interest in others. 2. You're unreliable. People respect those they can count on. If you're constantly canceling plans or breaking promises, it breeds resentment. The fix: honor your commitments. Be someone people can trust. 3. You're always negative. Nobody enjoys being around someone who constantly complains or brings negativity into every situation. It's draining. The fix: focus on solutions, not problems. Be a source of positivity and encouragement. 4. You don't respect boundaries. Overstepping boundaries, whether it's personal space, time, or emotional limits, pushes people away. Respect isn't just about what you say, it's about how you act. The fix: pay attention to people's comfort levels. Give them space when they need it. 5. You don't admit when you're wrong. Pride can be your downfall. If you can't admit your mistakes, it sends a clear message. You care more about being right than about others. The fix: learn to apologize. It's not a weakness. It's a strength that builds respect and trust. 6. You gossip. Talking about others behind their back might feel harmless, but it destroys trust. If someone hears you gossiping about someone else, they'll assume you're doing the same to them. The fix: speak positively about others, even when they're not around. 7. You take without giving. If you're constantly taking from others, time, energy, help, without offering anything in return, people will feel used. Relationships are a two-way street. The fix: be generous with your time, support, and appreciation. Nobody's perfect, but self-awareness is the first step toward building stronger, healthier relationships. These 7 behaviors might be pushing people away, but the good news: you can change them. Which of these reasons do you think is the hardest to overcome? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your take. And if this video opened your eyes, hit subscribe. Together, we'll keep growing, improving, and becoming the best versions of ourselves.